Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I would like to explain or demo about my first UIUX. Okay, it is the first page in my UIUX, and I will choose sign up. Okay, you can click this sign up now, and this homepage in UIUX. This is have a search food, and this is a slider or promo, and this is have a category. You can choose food or drink. This is popular food and drink. Have many orders, and you can, if you click this category, you can bring to this food page. And if you click this category drink category, you will bring to this page. And if we click this menu in your UIUX or order, you wanna order, you can click add, and you can, if you want buy more, you can click this, and you to that this is description and this delivery time. Yeah, if you want to add to cart, you can click this. This is a pop-up. Congrats, you have added to cart. You click continue if you want to pay again. You have to click continue, and this is your cart. And after that, you can choose your payment for pay. I will choose Bang Mamat, and you have to click pay. This is loading page. This is have page confirmation, have successful purchase of food in this slot folders, and you can back again. This is homepage again, and this is profile page where have membership, contact us, privacy policy, and others. If we click log out, you can bring to this page. Okay, wait, and if you click this, you can bring to this page, get to the favorite page. And if you click cart, you can bring this page, pay for this page cart. And it is if we click this button, we will bring to this profile page. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Sorry if there are mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.